Hi, welcome back. In this video, we are going to cover how to extend logical volume and how to delete logical volume. So in the last video, we have created few logical volumes. So you can see the details here. We can see three logical volumes here, LV1, LV2, LV3. And if you look at this entire output, you can see that LV2, the entire space of 40 MB is totally from the disk STE, whereas LV1 is getting the space from STE and some space from STT. The total size of LV1 is 8 GB. Similarly, LV3 is created from STB, and you can also see that LV3 is created from the volume group new VG1, whereas LV1 and LV2 are created from the volume group new VG. So if I list the logical volumes and I want to now extend the logical volume LV1. Okay, let us suppose LV1 I want to extend. So current size is 8 GB. Now to extend the logical volume, we know that the logical volumes that we have created from volume group. So in case you want to extend the logical volume, there must be space in the volume group. So two cases might arise. One, wherein you have enough space in the volume group. Second, wherein you don't have the space in the volume group. So let us first cover the first scenario. So if I check the volume group VG display new VG, so this volume group, the total size, allocated size is 8 GB and the free is 6 GB. Okay, so 6 GB space is still available. Okay, so now let us extend the logical volume LV1 by 2 GB to make it 10 GB. So we will use the command LV extend minus capital L plus 2 GB because I want to extend it by 2 GB, and then which logical volume you want to extend, VG slash LV1. Now in case you have formatted the logical volume, which we did in the previous video, if you have formatted this logical volume already, then you must use here the option -R also, so that whatever new space you are adding, that is also automatically formatted with the same format. That is, the same file system is installed on this additional space also. So you can see that the size is now changed from 8 GB to 10 GB. So it also asks continue with XFS file system. So say yes, done. If we check LVS, and now you can see here the logical volume. Earlier LV1 was 8 GB and now it is 10 GB. So this is the first scenario. Now second scenario is that the space is not available in the volume group. So now let us suppose you want to further extend this LV1 by 6 more GBs. Okay. And if I check the space VGS, now in new VG volume group, the free space is 4.95 GB, whereas what I want is 6 GB to be added to LV1. So what you need to do in this case is, first you need to increase the space in the volume group. So you need to extend the volume group and then you will extend the logical volume. So to extend the volume group, we will simply add a physical volume to the volume group. So if the physical volume is not there, you will first create a physical volume from a available disk. So what I'm going to do is, I have a free disk SDG of 2 GB. So PV create DEV SDG. Now I will extend the volume group new VG. So the command is VG extend, which one, new VG, and I'm going to add the physical volume, which is DEV SDG. And now if I recheck the size of this new VG, you can see earlier the size was 4.95 and now I have increased it by 2 GB and now the size is 6.95. Okay, so this is the important step. If the volume group has less space available than required to extend the logical volume. Next, the command will remain same. LV extend minus R minus capital L. How much? Plus 6 GB. We wanted the path, which is DEV new VG LV1. Yes. Check the size again. And now you can see the size is 16 GB. Now the last thing to learn is how to delete the logical volume, the volume group and the physical volume. So we'll go in the reverse order. The command to delete the logical volume is LV remove. Okay, so let us first list the logical volumes. Let us now remove LV3. So LV remove DEV new VG1 because it is created from the volume group new VG1 slash LV3. Yes. Let us check again. Now you can see LV3 is deleted. Now, if you want to delete the volume group, so ensure that all the logical volumes for a particular volume group are deleted, then only you can delete the volume group. So list all the volume groups. So we will delete new VG1. Okay, so we have already deleted the logical volume that was there based upon new VG1. So to delete the volume group, VG remove slash DEV slash new VG1 VGS. Now you can see that the volume group is deleted, VG1. Finally, we want to delete the physical volume. So the command is PV remove, and I know that I want to delete DEV SDG, sorry, SDB. So successfully wiped PVS, and now SDB is not there. Okay. So that was all about extending and deleting the logical volumes. In the next video, we are going to learn how to create video.